what's going on, guys? It's Nando back with one more video. Woo! Making sure my mic works. Okay, all right. Hopefully this sounds good. Trying a different kind of setup, guys, but like I said, what's up? What's going on? Appreciate you coming by. It's Nando back with one more of these videos, and I'm gonna do an unboxing on the Google Pixelbook. Now, this isn't new. This has obviously been out for quite a while now, less than a year, but quite a while. I'm thinking maybe about 8 months or so. But I finally got my first ever Chromebook. I want to unbox it. I want to show you guys what comes inside the box, and I'll kind of want to express to you a little bit of what my intentions are using this and how I plan to bring you guys some reviews going forward. So at any point of this video, if you like what you hear, hit that thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular that you want me to focus on when doing a review. Now let's get started. I got this bad boy online used for about $700. So what you see here is what I got for $700. This retails for $999. However, Google and some other websites have been doing some Father Day discounts, some specials that have brought the price down to $750, $800 or so dollars. So right off the bat, I never wanted to buy this at $1,000. I don't think $1,000. I just don't think this is worth $1,000 just off of what I know Chrome OS is capable of doing. Now, before anybody here who likes Chrome OS starts to nail me for it, mind you, I've never used Chrome OS. I've only gone off of what I've read. It's limited for this, but it's good for that. However, I'll get to that in a second. So, retails for $1,000, got it for $750, and that's including the Google Pixelbook pen, which is kind of exciting because that's Google's take on the stylus. You've got the Apple Pencils of the world that work with the iPads, and you've got the Microsoft Surface pens that obviously work with the Surface Book and Surface Pro laptops. So let's start off with the Pixelbook pen. We'll zoom in a little bit right there, guys. Okay, Pixelbook pen. Here you have it. No clip. One button here. I don't think we've got a removable nib. Feels decent in hand. I think this uses maybe a AAA, quadruple A battery. Not really excited about that. Wish this was rechargeable. Doesn't seem like it's going to be, but there you have it. I don't know if this is constantly on standby mode or not, so I can't attest to that. Okay, Pixelbook pen off to the side. Now, let me zoom back out so we can get a wider view of the main attraction. Now, I have used this a little bit, so the Chromebook, the Pixelbook is not inside. It's actually right here. This is the Pixelbook itself. Super dope hardware. I really like what Google is going here. They're going with the complete Pixel lineup. If you're familiar with the first gen Pixel and second gen Pixel phones. So you've got glass up here and then beautiful aluminum there. We've got aluminum everywhere and then glass-ish. No, that's more of like a rubber here at the bottom to hold the laptop tablet in place. And then it's kind of raised a little bit here, but very, very little. So before I open this, that's what it looks like. Let me show you guys the ports real quick. Starting from the left-hand side, we've got power button here at the bottom left-hand corner. We've got volume rocker here at the top left-hand corner. We have headphone jack here. We've got USB-C here, and then we've got a little light that lets you know if it's dying, if it's charging, or what's up. So I've been using this a little bit, so it still has some battery life. I guess this always blinks. Switching it over to the right-hand side, we've got nothing except another USB-C, and I guess another status light. So there's two of them. Bottom, we've got nothing except the hinge that opens the laptop. Back, we have nothing but the hinge itself. So there's that. Let me put this aside. Okay, inside the box, we've got a Google provided USB-C wall adapter. And you get a Google provided USB-C to USB-C cable. I'm actually using my MacBook Pro cable with my Google Pixel because both are USB-C. So there's that. You get some more brief literature in here because that kind of goes off to the side there. And that's it. That's all you get inside the box. That is it. So let me move this around a little bit. Let me close this up. Let me slap this guy on top because I want to open this up for you guys here and show you a little bit of what we're dealing with. So, love hardware on the Pixelbook so far. I've used it maybe no more than 2 to 3 hours over a period of a week and a half, but I love the hardware so far. This weighs a little bit over 2 pounds, and this is one of those 2-in-1 convertibles. So when I say 2-in-1 convertibles, if you guys are familiar with what Windows laptops are doing right now, the Surface Books, the Surface Pros, HP's 2-in-1s, Dell XPS, pretty much Windows is really optimizing a little bit of everything. And by that I mean being able to use their interface for tablet mode and then for laptop mode. Now, this is Chrome OS, and what Chrome OS allows you to do is pretty much use Google's suite of information or of programs, plus, here's the big kicker, plus, because I kind of want to stop there because again, I'm not very familiar with what Chrome OS is capable of doing, but what I know it can do is that now we are capable of using actual Android applications on the Pixelbook. And I believe that when the Pixelbook first came out, that wasn't a possibility. So let me show you guys a little bit of how this guy looks. So this is able to flatten out. Really nice hinge. So you've got the capability of turning this around like so, kind of tent moding it. If you want to do a presentation, boom, you're good to go. You can, you know, flatten it out like this. Obviously, you're not going to be looking at it that way, but you're going to be looking at it this way. I'm not a huge fan of this mode because then you're inevitably going to be touching the keyboard on the back. However, this is a touch screen, so you are capable of opening applications and utilizing this device this kind of way. So, oh look, iNandoTV. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Yay, it's free. But yeah, so touchscreen, different ways to use it. You know, I don't personally like using this so much as a tablet. I've had a Windows 2-in-1 before, and I didn't like doing that. However, I do want and do plan on using this as a laptop that has Android capabilities, and that's mostly what excites me the most about this, is that I plan on downloading a bunch of apps that I use on my Android phones. Currently I'm using the P20 Pro, and then being able to use this as my computer in terms of surfing the web, consuming YouTube videos, responding to emails, and then having fun with what Google Play Store can provide. Again, if you guys are familiar with Chrome OS, let me know in the comment section below what you like the most about Chrome OS, also what you don't like about Chrome OS, and more importantly, let me know if there's something in particular that you want me to check out, because the things I'm going to be focusing on is battery life, because I've heard this can give you about 10 hours of battery life, checking out the volume, checking about any kind of quirks that stand out, and then kind of seeing how good this Pixelbook pen works with the laptop itself. I'm kind of bummed out that this doesn't have a way to attach to the tablet or the laptop, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, stay geeky. It was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios.